you ever wonder why our ancestors were stronger, sharper, and filled with fire? Back then, men carried raw aggression, dominance, and drive. But today, our generation is running on fumes. Testosterone levels in modern men are half, sometimes even a third, of what our ancestors had. That's not just a number, that's the reason why so many guys today feel weak, unmotivated, and low energy. Testosterone is the king hormone. It controls your muscle growth, confidence, drive, energy, and even your ability to take risks. High testosterone means a sharper mind, more strength, better mood, and a life full of ambition. But the scary part? Our lifestyles today are silently killing our testosterone. Here are 6 things that kills your testosterone. 1. Plastic and water. Every time you drink water from a plastic bottle, you're consuming chemicals called endocrine disruptors. Studies show they mimic estrogen inside your body, lowering testosterone and messing with your hormones. 2. Comfort addiction. Our ancestors fought, hunted, and survived. Today, we avoid discomfort at all costs, even for the smallest tasks. When your body feels no challenge, it literally stops producing the testosterone needed for survival. Comfort is the enemy of growth. 3. Excess fat. Being overweight increases aromatase, an enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. The more fat you carry, the less testosterone you have. Simple as that. 4. Junk food. Processed food, seed oils, sugar, they spike insulin, increase inflammation, and crush your testosterone production. Junk food isn't just making you fat, it's killing your masculinity. 5. Testicular health. Your testicles are where testosterone is made. To function properly, they need to stay cool. Tight jeans, synthetic underwear, or sleeping hot at night reduces sperm count and testosterone. Wear loose, breathable clothing, especially in summer or while sleeping. 6. Masturbation overload. Constantly draining your energy through excessive masturbation lowers dopamine sensitivity and testosterone levels. Discipline is power. Stop wasting it. Now, we know what to avoid for better testosterone. Here are 4 steps to level up your testosterone naturally. Step 1. Master your nutrition. Most men are nutrient deficient. No zinc, no vitamin D, low magnesium. Without these, your body literally cannot produce testosterone. Prioritize whole foods that are testosterone boosters. Eat foods like red meat, eggs, oysters, salmon, nuts, spinach, and avocados. Within weeks, your body will have the raw building blocks to pump out testosterone naturally. Step 2. Prioritize sleep. One bad night of sleep can crash your testosterone by 10 to 15%. Most guys are running on low testosterone because they sacrifice sleep for scrolling or gaming. Treat sleep like it's the most powerful supplement on earth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours, sleep in a dark, cool room, and cut blue light before bed. This will help you recover faster, boost your energy, accelerate muscle growth, and naturally spike your testosterone levels. Step 3. Train hard and kill stress. Stress raises cortisol, the hormone that crushes testosterone production. Combine that with sitting all day, and your body has no reason to create more testosterone. The solution? Train hard. Lift heavy weights, focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, and bench presses, and add in sprints or HIIT sessions. Not only does this build stronger muscles, but it also lowers stress, boosts testosterone, and sharpens your mind. Step 4. Live with purpose. Men without goals often fall into comfort and stagnation, and this signals the body to slow down testosterone production. To counter this, you need to live with purpose. Set goals bigger than yourself, the same way our ancestors were driven to fight, hunt, and build for survival. By giving yourself a mission, facing discomfort daily, and constantly pushing beyond your limits, you'll fuel both your testosterone and your spirit. The result is more than just hormonal. You'll feel ambitious, unstoppable, and fully alive. Testosterone isn't just a hormone. It's your fire, your energy, your masculinity. Cut out what's killing it, follow these steps, and in just 1 month, you'll feel like a different man. And if you want me to make a video on the signs that you have low testosterone, drop a comment below and I'll make it happen. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's bring that fire back.